Well, it's the beginning of Mustang Monday. Brian's hard at her again, trying to finish the last of the welding on the fan. He left all the worst gaps for last, so you're gonna be a little wet, hopefully soon. But back here, there he is. Smile for your mother. Back here, we changed the way we had it up on the stands because we had a slight twist in the rear end after all that work last week. So hopefully once we put it on the ground again after we get all the welding done, the final weld out and everything on it, she should straighten back up. As you can see now, it's pretty well straight to the dash and the aprons. So we did 3 points, dash, rear, and the aprons with the angle finder to see exactly how far out it was, and now she's right at 0. So, or 0.1, which is not enough to worry about. So, back at her. There goes the Sasquatch getting into position for welding. So Brian, why do you look like Sasquatch?
I didn't bring boots. The sparks melt through my shoes.
Right. So now he's Sasquatch. Poor soul. Said we had to fit a little more. Kind of looks ugly, but could be worse. Tank fits. What do you have to say for yourself, boy, at the end of day 1 of Mustang Monday?
Well, we fitted both of these a little more. We cut out some shit. We welded this one in. This one's 90%
We get a
done.
close up of that. See how we fix the error in contour gauge with a hammer. So it shouldn't look too bad. You don't have that nice crisp seam, but close enough.
We just need a little more ore down there.
Yep. And she's just a little rattly down there.
That's it.
We got that tied in. We fitted the gas tank once on this side and it fit.
And this just needs to get fit a little more.
Yep.
Almost there.
Got, see the gap up here. We had to shift it. That 1 inch. We added that inch. You can see the scrapes. Not too bad. We got a little hole left there where the bolt used to be. Another hole. Ugly patch. Yeah. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be done.
And Miller did the door again.
Yes, we adjusted the door. Nice, clean, straight line.
More welding.
Unfortunately, you can see the tapered gap from where the door was holding the car together. Yeah, he welded some more.
Fill that giant gap.
Yeah.
I know it looks ugly soon.
Now she should hold some water in some places.
Let's see what else. Hold it over there a tiny bit. Try to weld that. Lost cause.
Yep, failed miserably. I might have to do that one.
I'll probably weld up there.
Yeah. Oh, how far you want to do?
Weld up here,
Yes.
right there.
Last week, where he forgot it,
Did it?
he did it, and by golly, that's some interesting work in there. But
Porosity
porosity. He
When the
didn't
gas-
realize the gas.
was out.
Oh, we forgot another thing. Apron clips.
Oh yeah,
Brian fitted these and installed them.
both of them.
Both sides. That looks
You mainly
a lot
did that
better.
one, but-
Yeah, I took it out anyway, but yeah, that was the easy one. That one kind of had to tweak the apron around a little bit to get it to fit right.
Still got that gap.
See, I think they spot welded it right here a little off,
Oh yeah.
but who knows? But you don't look bad. There's plenty of adjustment in the fenders anyways.
The hood's gonna sit right there. You won't probably see it.
You'll never see it, so should be.
Extra metal's extra metal.
Yep. Good enough for me.
And of course, the worst part of the day was welding down there.
Oh yes.
I failed miserably at it, and then Miller's like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it extremely easily, just to flex on you.
New frame arch up to the bracket. Boy, was it. Gotta love that undercoating in there.
Malibu.
Yes. So, as you can see, it fits nice and flush all the way down now from the new frame runners. I'm sure those must have relaxed, so I had to stick weld those and go old-fashioned because he's taking too long. Too long and my hood died, so I gotta use this old thing. The Huntsman. Like the originals.
Could have asked for the MIG.
Yes. That was stubborn anyways. There you have it. And a
Mustang
Monday.
Monday.
And a Mustang Monday. On to Mustang Tuesday.
What do you think of that? More?
Start tacking some of the edges. Like, see, you probably whack that in a little tighter there, get a tack, and then it'll move in better for you.
Pretty good.
Yes, and I hit it with the tack.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Oof.
Try again. Not taking that primer. Alright, we got it though.
And now it's a little hot. Try driving that next portion in. Well, Brian, it's the end of Mustang Tuesday. What do you have to say for yourself?
I am yet again sick of welding.
Okay.
We patched this right here. It's still hot. It's kind
Yeah.
of shitty. It's not done yet.
Looks pretty shitty,
It
but
looks pretty retarded.
it'll look beautiful in a minute.
We patched all the way in here.
That's the one he's proud of. Nice little cut through there. A little holy, but now she's pretty
No
good.
actual holes though.
Yeah.
I thought you could see through it.
Oh, it looks like shit until you paint it. What else?
Polished up some welds.
Hey, look at that. Slick 'em. Don't even know it looked like dog shit.
We welded all the rest of this trunk area. So at this point the gas can fits. It's not welded in or anything or screwed in, but
Yep. We got one little hole there and there yet to patch, but
I could probably do that one with just welding.
yeah, I say that'd be good. On this side here, you
Catch it in.
can't see it. We got this one sidewall going across now.
Shit catcher.
Or this one don't have it, so I could, there's no shit catcher. So,
And then Miller, this probably took out half his day just putting the sucker in.
oh yeah, this one didn't fit for shit.
This was his child of the day.
Yeah, over here is about an inch long back here, so we had to straighten it in, but most part, she's fairly straight. Then we put up under here, new wheelhouse in. I got a little patching left to do in there, but that's just superficial stuff. And a little bit of trimming down here. Probably gonna cut this flush, make it look pretty. Yeah.
So you can catch it.
Yeah, you can't see it. So what we had to do here, because they smushed it over for the convertible. Well, we got lazy. So we notched in around on the wheelhouse, about to there where it's smushed in, and then used the rest of the flange to weld it over the rest of the way.
I don't know if you can see, but if you look closely down in there, you could see where I had to weld it, but from the bottom up.
Yeah, he's doing some more overhead.
So that is all good. And then lastly, I think I might have done more. Put this patch in.
Yeah, he started going solo, making patches. That looks pretty good in there, and finished welding across there.
I did some holes, but...
Yeah, filling holes, more holes.
And of course, the most important thing, we fixed this dent.
Yes, she's straight now.
At least, mostly.
Mostly straight. I mean, you ain't gonna see it.
Pass inspection.
Yeah. Enough to pass
Unlike the
inspection.
map.
Yeah. It'll be soon. That will be soon. So, it's the end of the day. Until next week, we are done. So, she'll be close on schedule now. We'll be driving it before October anyway. October at the latest. We'll see.
Probably maybe late August at the earliest. Probably somewhere in September, realistically.
September probably. So either way, she's looking like a car again. Stiffer. She ain't the Tacoma Narrows Bridge.